Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So quickly I'll be showing you how to roast groundnuts. The popular groundnut that we all know, but in two ways. I'll be showing you how to roast it without using anything to roast it. You just put it inside your pan and you roast. And secondly, how to roast it using gari. For this gari you can also use salt, but whichever way, the one I'll be doing today is with gari and without gari. So the first thing I'll be doing is to boil my water and pour on the groundnuts, adding salt. So this is 3 cups of groundnut, so I will be using 2 tablespoons of salt for this. So allow your groundnut to be in this hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes before you sieve it out and dry. So the next thing I'll be doing is to dry it. I'll just spread it for it to dry. So this will take like 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on the weather. And once it is dry, I'll be coming back to roast it. So now that my groundnut has dry, so the next thing I'll be doing is to set my pot on a low flame and allow it to be very hot. I can put it there for like 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'll pour my groundnut inside and start roasting it. So I've left this sticky pan for like 5 minutes. The next thing I'll be doing is to pour my groundnut inside. So for this process, I will just keep turning it. But one thing is, I would advise, if you don't have a sticky pan, it will be better you make use of gari or salt. And if you don't like too much salt in your groundnut, just make use of gari, cassava flakes, and it will definitely come out nice. You will still get the same results when you fry it this way. When you roast it this way and the other way around. So this process will take about, it depends on the quantity of your groundnut, but I'm using 3 cups of groundnuts, so this process will take about 10 to 15 minutes. About 10 to 15 minutes plus the additional 5 minutes that you have used before, so that makes it 20 minutes. And it may not use up to that. It will not use up to that if you are not using up to 3 cups of groundnuts. If you look at it, you will discover that the color is already changing. So though I will not do this for up to 15 minutes because I'm in a hurry this evening, so what I will do is, after 10 minutes I will just cover it with foil paper and then off the gas, or probably if you are using electric cooker, just off it and cover for like 10 minutes. So I'll cover it now. It will still give me the same results. So the next method I will be showing you is the use of cassava flakes, popularly known as gari in Nigeria. So you have to pour your cassava flakes in the pan. Spread it and leave it for like 5 minutes for it to get very, very hot, because it is the heat that will actually be used to roast the groundnuts.